Hey guys, it's Ryan with AIinsidertips.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can generate professional logos using AI 100% for free. Now, before I dive into the details of this tutorial, I first want to let you know about my free guide on the best AI side hustles for 2024 and beyond. Now, I've personally used some of the side hustles outlined in this guide to generate over $5,000 a month in passive income online. And guys, you can find my free guide in the video description or pinned comment below. But going back to this tutorial, what I'm going to show you is that you can actually use a free tool called Microsoft Copilot to generate logos using DALL-E 3. Now, you can also do this if you are a paid member of ChatGPT Plus, which still does cost $20 per month. But if you do not have ChatGPT Plus, I would suggest going to copilot.microsoft.com, and I'm going to show you how to do that here on the main page. So this is what the main page of Microsoft Copilot looks like. Now, the first thing I want to mention is that you must be signed into a Microsoft account in order for this to work. You can just sign up for a free Microsoft account, log in, and then you can access all of the features of Copilot. So this is the home screen of Copilot, and what's new about Copilot is on the right here, you'll see they have Copilot GPTs. Now, I would suggest using the Designer GPT for not only logos, but any sort of AI-generated images. I just feel that when you're on this Designer GPT, you will get better outputs than using the standard chat. So step one to create a professional logo is the following. I'm going to go to my prompts library, and I will leave this prompt in the video description below so you guys can easily copy and paste this and then create your own logo. So here is what you would do first. Now I'm going to copy this prompt here, come back over to ChatGPT, and you can use the free version, you can use Claude, you can use whatever other LLM for this example, but what you want to do is the following. Create 3 prompts that I can use to create a professional logo for my insert type of business. My business is called insert business name, and my colors are insert colors. So obviously you would insert the relevant details for whatever your business is. So in this example, I'm going to say for my mobile tire shop, my business is called Tire Heroes, as that is a legitimate business that I work with here locally. And then it's going to say my colors are, I'm going to use the following colors: red, black, and gray. And then I'm going to wait a little bit and then come back after this output is complete. All right, and here's the output that I got. So why this is so important is that instead of just going into Copilot or going into ChatGPT Plus and saying, just create me a logo, here's my business, here are my colors, what you are doing first is you're now prompting it with a more optimized prompt that you can dump into Copilot or ChatGPT Plus, and you're going to get better outputs this way. So what I like about this is it gives you 3 examples: a modern minimalist design, dynamic and bold emblem, or an elegant and sophisticated symbol. So I'm going to use example number 1, and then I'm going to copy and paste this, and then I'm going to head over to Microsoft Copilot, paste that in here, click enter, and I'm going to open up a new chat on ChatGPT Plus, paste that prompt, and I'm going to compare what I get on Copilot versus what I get on ChatGPT Plus for this logo generation. So I'm going to wait till this is complete, and then I'm going to fast forward after the images are completed. All right, so here's what ChatGPT Plus created for Tire Heroes. Now, one thing I want to say is I really do like this design. I really like the logo design, but the issue is the text is spelled incorrectly. And that's always been one of the biggest flaws of DALL-E, is that it does often misspell text inside images. So my tip to you guys for that is to use very minimal text, so no more than 1 or 2 words. But for best outputs, you're better off not using any text at all. So just something to keep in mind. And if I head over to Copilot, this is what Copilot came up with. So it looks like it's giving me like a brand guide almost. So this is actually kind of cool. Tire Heroes. So what you could do is you could download this image, you could upload it into Canva, you could upload it into Photoshop, then make all sorts of updates and tweaks from there. If I hit back, you'll see it gives me 4 outputs where ChatGPT Plus only gave me 1. Now again, the text is misspelled, so that is a flaw with Copilot, as it is powered by DALL-E 3 as well. If I go back, this one's pretty cool if you don't want any text inside your image. That's definitely a logo that may be considered worth using. But you guys get the gist. This just wanted to be a super quick video on how you can best optimize these AI tools to generate high quality professional logos. And the other thing I want to note, if I haven't already, is the reason why Copilot is such a great tool for this is you'll see it says powered by DALL-E 3 down here. Well, for ChatGPT Plus, you have to be a paid subscriber for $20 a month to access DALL-E 3 inside ChatGPT. So a lot of people actually don't know that, is you can access DALL-E 3 for free using Microsoft Copilot, as I just showed you here. But that's it, guys. Just wanted to make a quick video showing how to make professional logos using AI and DALL-E technology. Again, this is Ryan with AI Insider Tips. Be sure to like this video if you found it valuable. Dislike it if you didn't find it valuable. Also, leave me a comment below. Are there any prompting tips that you guys use to generate high quality logos, high quality images? Are there any logo image generation tools that I'm missing here? Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already at AI Insider Tips. Truly appreciate all the support that you guys give me, and I hope you all have a great day.